This is an audio test, testing the sound of how loud I am compared to the sound of other noises going on around me. Speaking up in case people in Discord can't hear me, talking at this volume. Oh look, flying fish. Oh, flying shark. It's a fucking Sharknado. I guess I'm lagging. Am I online? No. No internet connection. Maybe that shark will drop down in the water. Maybe I'll get disconnected from the game. Ooh, it reconnected. Nice. Okay. Well, you got some noise to make? Is my footsteps the only noise going on right now? How loud is the TV in the background? I mean, I can't really hear it with headphones on. Weird. Look at all my farm plots that I need that much fertilizer. That raptor was totally, like, camouflaged in there. Damn it, tech. How am I doing? What am I doing? No. Blueprint. Fertilizer. Gun locker. Yeah. 159. Narco, don't go in there with it. Where was that leaving, Narco? Narco, no. With raw meat? No. And I'm playing a game. I don't even know why. Other than, I mean, I guess I would be doing this stuff anyway on here. But this is an audio test. Brought to you in part by the Big Red Ball Company. Big Red Balls. We got them, you want them. Also, this is a test of how well can you hear the TV next to me, and how well the Carno just stop moving. Can you hear the game volume, my microphone volume, and the TV next to me volume? Rawr, rawr, rawr. Making noise. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Hey, look, I'm punching your Falco. Or I guess I wasn't. Here, I'll punch the Grapist. Just walk up, punch a Grapist in the mouth. I should not do that to him. He might grape me in the mouth. There's plenty of background noises, though. Splash. Stupid sharks. What are you doing, Mr. Shark? Oh, there's a couple of sharks. Is there any more? No? No? No! I'm just kidding. I don't want to do that. You still coming up to me, boy? Are you stuck on that pole? Shit, okay. I'll stand right here. Pass out, be a botch. Ooh. Can I shoot this? Ha! Nice. Let me use this one. Pop, pop, pop. You let me get him. Go to sleep, 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 go to sleep. I'm like hitting you full of double strength. Come on, go to sleep, 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 go to sleep. Go to sleep. What are you even doing? What are you like attacking my pole? Giggity. Yeah, attack that pole. Get it. Get it. Go to sleep. 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 No. Reload. No. Damn it.
Okay guys, the bingo prize is ready to go. The grand prize is super valuable and took a lot of effort to assemble, so be extra careful. Absolutely, ma'am.
Damn it, Mr. Poopy Butthole.
We're all ending up flying anyway. Why even bother starting off the car? We're not the only ones who felt like cheating our way out of that traffic. Yamcha! War! What's up? Only way to travel, right? Hey, Drew, how's it going? Long time no speak, buddy. Great minds think alike.
Oh shit, I forgot I need air. Oh, I'm gonna die. Just swim. Run for it. Don't get hit. Run like a motherfucker. I was actually about to look behind me. Yeah, knock me forward onto my raft. Holy crap. Wow. No, run. No meat. I want to see if that other guy got tamed. Did he get tranked? Ah. Fun, you want to hang out over there? That's a glitch based on where my walls are.
Your eyes are shut, but it's actually the only picture you let us take.
I need to build some sort of shark trap down here. Y'all want to swim over here? I'll start popping you from a distance, run you into the shark trap, come out. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. That means I need to, like, kill you. Or build it when you're not there. Whatever. I will build it later. And after I build it, I'm going to move you to the shallow water, and then I'm going to get this guy right here to go over and grape you in the mouth. He's going to grape your mouth so hard. Alright, well, this concludes our audio test for the evening. Oh no, I'm in here now. Alrighty.